Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by removing pillows and loose items. This reduces falling hazards and gives you space to work. Next, stand on a stable stool or ladder. Make sure it's centered and steady. Untuck the flat sheet at the foot and sides first, then reach up and pull the fitted sheets elastic-free from one corner, working around the mattress. Once the first corner releases, move deliberately to the opposite corner so the sheet comes off smoothly and doesn't snag hardware. You now fit the new fitted sheet, starting with one corner at the head or foot. Choose whichever is safest for your reach. Stretch the elastic over that corner, then move diagonally to the opposite corner. This creates even tension and prevents bunching. Make sure the sheet mouth seats fully under the mattress lip, then smooth wrinkles toward the center so you can see if it's centered. If the mattress shifts, secure with sheet straps or clips. This stabilizes everything before you add the flat sheet. You finish by laying the flat sheet evenly, tucking at the foot with hospital corners or simple fold-in tuck. Choose what holds best. Add blanket, duvet, and pillowcases, then recheck safety rails and ladder stability. Make sure nothing obstructs the rails. If you find the top bunk too tight to work, consider lowering the mattress a notch or swapping to a thinner topper, because small adjustments often solve clearance issues. If sheets slip or hardware wobbles, stop and repair fasteners before sleeping.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.